Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying who matters, job titles, companies, and outcomes you want. Audit your profile so it converts, headline, photo, and 3 key skills. Next, create targeted searches using LinkedIn filters and Boolean keywords. Save them. Once done, prioritize first and second connections and tag promising prospects. Make sure to record search logic in a simple sheet so you can repeat the process. This gets you from setup to outreach ready in under 30 minutes. You now execute outreach with clear intent. Craft short, specific openers, reference a recent post, company change, or mutual contact so the message feels tailored. Once you message, engage publicly. Comment on their posts and share relevant content to increase familiarity. Use a mix of connection requests and reserved in mail. Prioritize the channel that shows traction. Make sure to log every interaction into your CRM, set a follow-up cadence, and run a /B tests on subject lines and openings to learn what works. You push conversations toward a short, scheduled meeting with a crisp agenda, 15 to 20 minutes to diagnose needs and next steps. Once meetings happen, capture outcomes and update pipeline status, measure reply, meeting, and conversion rates. If results lag, troubleshoot quickly, reevaluate your targeting, test new opening lines, and strengthen social proof on your profile. Also, make sure your follow-up timing is adjusted. A simple tweak in message timing or a stronger value statement often fixes low engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.